give the skis just a quick brush with a somewhat coarse ground brush. Now I know these skis that I'm working with right now aren't super dirty, so I'm not going to use a steel brush. That would be for a really oxidized pair of skis or really dirty skis where you have a lot of pine sap and pine tar. For the simple fact that I know last time I skied on these that the snow was actually quite good. We got a 1 to 2 feet over the course of 2 days last week, and it was all clean snow. There's still some rocks poking up, but it was clean still. So I'm going to use a bronze brush. It is a coarse brush. It's a metallic brush, being that it's bronze, but I'm going to use that and run it over the ski just a couple of passes to just clean out the bases just a little bit if there's any residual wax that's been there from the last time I waxed them, and or if there's any kind of dirt or debris that was trapped in all the fibers. So I'll just give it a couple of quick brushes. And to be honest, just giving it a brush like that with a coarse brush gives it a whole lot of new life. You can already see that these skis are kind of got that nice satiny black finish to them already. I'm still going to put wax on them, but just giving a brush like that to clear out those fibers really helps a lot. Now what I'm using to put these skis on so that they stay in place is called a wax profile. It's another thing that I inherited from my old job at the backpacking store in Lake Tahoe. It's a vintage model wax profile, no question about it, and it's pretty limited in how wide of a ski that it can accommodate. It's not really designed for alpine skis, really fat powder skis or anything like that, but generally speaking, a cross-country ski I can make this thing work. One of the drawbacks about this little system that I'm working with, you can probably tell I'm holding the underside of this wax profile because I am putting quite a lot of pressure when I'm brushing the skis out, and it's causing the profile, which I have attached to a pine board, which is then attached to this portable table. It's causing it to flip and do all kinds of movements. So in an ideal world, this wax profile would be a better quality one, and it would also be fixed to a table, so then you can put as much pressure as you need to on the skis. It's a little bit more obvious that these bases have begun to oxidize, and again, I just wanted to show another example of just how effective simply using a brush to clean the bases out with can be.